All right, I'll give you the good ISOs for day 3, Friday. First option for the first ISO is a squat pin press. You could load this bar. I'm on my squat rack. I can load this bar with a bunch of weight, more than I can move. Or do the simple thing. I have some chains. I hook the bar to the cage with the chains. And I get in the bottom of that squat, chest up, and I'm going to drive 7 seconds. Push, 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 and rest for 3. Drive 7 seconds. Push, 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 rest for 3. Make sure we don't overarch the back. Try to stay more neutral in the spine. It's a great way to work on that through the squat and not getting too much arch in the low back. The other option is the single leg iso press in a doorway. I'll take you over here where you can see me in my other rack here. So this could be a doorway or the rack. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay here. So imagine I'm in the doorway. I'm in the opening right now. And what I do is I want to brace my shoulder against one side of the doorway or rack and put my other foot against the other part of the doorway or rack. And from there, I'm going to I like to leave this knee slightly bent, but just relax. Push as hard as I can for 7 seconds and relax. Pushing into that doorway or rack for 7 seconds and rest, just like so. And then I would switch sides and do the other side. That would be either of those options for ISO exercise 1. Then we have an isolateral raise hold. No, sorry. A bench squat isolateral raise hold. So what I want to do, I like this exercise a lot. I'm going to get a band. I like using these power loops. You could use a standard band with the handles. I'll get one. So a band like this would be fine. I like my power loops. I'm going to go here. I'm going to put it under the bench. So it's under the bench. And what I'll do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to go into that, sit through it, into that lateral raise hold. So lateral raise hold, and I'm going to sit up and I'm going to hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and back down and up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down and up. 7, 6, 5, 4. Hold it up. 3, 2, and 1. 5 rounds. Same format. And then the last one is the ISO mid row on rack or bench. So if I go to my rack, I take my handy belt. I'm going to throw my belt around that immovable object. And what I want to do is get on the other side to offer chest support. And I'll just grab my belt and I'm going to pull as hard as you can. The option I tend to like better is on my incline bench. Raise that up. I take a bar, or in this case, my dowel rod. I'm going to put it right against the bench, lower the shoulders, squeeze the shoulder blades, and pull as hard as I can. Pull, 7 seconds, and rest. 7 seconds. I'm making sure I don't arch the back, but I stay neutral as I pull and squeeze the shoulder blades. Great opportunity to work on that, which can be tough. All right, enjoy.